नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी। ప్రతి ఏకాదశికి మీరు ఈ శ్లోకాస్ అన్ని మనం నేర్చుకున్నవి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుంటే ఇట్స్ ఈజియర్.
ప్రభుజీ
प्रभु जी ने तेलुगु में बोला पर पारुल माता जी को समझ में आ गया. That is the power.
ना एकादशी तो कुछ उससे लिंक हो जाता है ना माता जी.
That is beautiful.
Good. I didn't realize.
Yes.
Tulayama Lavenapi Tulayama Lavenapi Na Swargam Na Punarbhavam Tulayama Lavenapi Na Swargam Na Punarbhavam Bhagavat Sangi Sanghasya Martyanam Kim Utashisaha Mratyanam Kim Utashishaha Tulayama Lavenapi Na Swargam Na Punarbhavam Bhagavat Sangi Sanghasya Martyanam Kim Utashishaha Tulayama Lavenapi Na Swargam Na Punarbhavam Bhagavat Sangi Sanghasya Martyanam Kim Utashishaha Okay, translation. Any three people can read.
मैं हिंदी में बोलूं?
हाँ बोलिए.
भगवत भक्त के साथ क्षण भर की संगति के महत्व की तुलना ना तो स्वर्गलोक की प्राप्ति से न भौतिक पदार्थों से मुक्ति से की जा सकती है, तो फिर भौतिक संपन्नता रूपी सांसारिक वरदानों के विषय में क्या कहा जाए जो मरणशील मनुष्यों के लिए है. हरे कृष्ण.
हरे कृष्ण.
భగవత్ భక్తుని క్షణకాల సాంగత్యము విలువను స్వర్గలోక ప్రాప్తియే నైనను నేను
చదువుతున్నావు కదా
తెలుగు
చదువు.
అంటే రిమోట్ తీయలేదు, అందుకని మళ్ళీ తీసాను. భగవద్భక్తుని క్షణకాల సాంగత్యము లేదా భౌతిక సంగత్యము నుండి ముక్తితోనే నన్ను సరిపోల్చగలము. ఇక ఆర్తులకై నిర్దేశింపబడిన భౌతిక సంపత్తి రూపమైన లౌకిక వరదానములను ఊర్చి వేరుగా నేమి పలుకగలము.
హేమా దీది, you want to read in English?
Yes, thank you. The value, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
The value of, sorry, I lost 1 minute. Okay. The value of a moment's association with the devotee of the Lord cannot even be compared to the attainment of heavenly planets or liberation from matter, and what to speak of worldly benedictions in the form of material prosperity, which are for those who are meant for death. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So wonderful words. Okay, we'll cover the next one also. Tamopayatam pratiyantu vipra tamopayatam pratiyantu vipra Telugu I think looks different. It's a wrong sloka actually. Okay. English choose chadavandi.
Okay.
Tam mopayatam pratiyantu vipra. Ganga cha devi Dhruta chittam ishe Ganga cha devi Dhruta chittam ishe Dvijopasritaha Kuhakas Taksako Va Dvijopasritaha Kuhakas Takshakova Dasatva Alam Gayata Vishnu Gataha Dasatva alam gayata Vishnu gataha Tam mopayatam pratiyantu vipra Ganga cha devi dhruta chittamishe Dvijopasrishtaha kuhakastakshako va दशत्वलं गायता विष्णुगातः
दशत्वलं गायत विष्णुगातः।
Okay.
Sir, before shloka Telugu wrong, I think so, sir.
అవును రాంగ్ ఉంది. ఓకే, హిందీ చదవండి. ఐ డోంట్ నో ఇఫ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో కరెక్ట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్.
मैं पढ़ूं?
हाँ बोलिए.
हे ब्राह्मणों, आप मुझे पूर्ण रूप से शरणागत के रूप में स्वीकार करें और श्री भगवान के प्रतिनिधि स्वरूपा माँ गंगा भी मुझे इसी रूप में स्वीकार करें, क्योंकि मैं पूर्व से अपने हृदय में श्री भगवान के चरण कमलों को धारण किए हूँ. अब चाहे तक्षक नाग या ब्राह्मण द्वारा उत्पन्न कोई भी चमत्कारी वस्तु मुझे तुरंत डस ले, मेरी एकमात्र इच्छा यह है कि आप सब भगवान श्री विष्णु की लीलाओं का गायन करते रहें. हरे कृष्ण.
హరే కృష్ణ. తెలుగు కరెక్ట్ కాదు, ఇంగ్లీష్ కండి. Somebody else can read English.
Can I read?
Yeah, please.
O Brahmanas, just accept me as a completely surrendered soul and let Mother Ganges, the representative of the Lord, also accept me in that way. For I have already taken the lotus feet of the Lord into my heart. Let the snake bird or whatever magical thing the Brahmana created bite me at once. I only desire that you all continue singing the deeds of Lord Vishnu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So these are two wonderful verses. This is a journey of Parikshit Maharaj. We discussed last time, Parikshit Maharaj was not an ordinary soul. He had darshan personally of Vishnu inside the womb. Even the description is given. Mana botana velo anta size lo తల్లి గర్భంలో ఉన్నప్పుడు పరీక్షిత్ విష్ణుని దర్శనం చేసుకున్నాడు. సో హీ వాస్ కంప్లీట్లీ ప్యూరిఫైడ్. ఆ బ్రహ్మాస్త్రం నుంచి కాపాడి బయటకు వచ్చిన తర్వాత కూడా హీ వాజ్ ఎ గ్రేట్ డివోటీ. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ మెన్షన్డ్ జస్ట్ లైక్ కృష్ణుడు ఉన్నంత వరకు కలిపురుషుడు రాలేకపోయాడు. సో కృష్ణుడు ఎప్పుడైతే వెళ్ళిపోయాడో కలిపురుషుడు వచ్చాడు. కానీ కలిపురుషుడికి ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ లేదు కలియుగంలో. ఎందుకంటే హీ ఈజ్ విష్ణురథ. విష్ణురథ అంటే హీ ఈజ్ ప్రొటెక్టెడ్ బై విష్ణు. అలాంటి రాజు చక్రవర్తి పరీక్షిత్ మహారాజు పరిపాలిస్తున్నాడు. సో కలిపురుషుడు వచ్చినప్పటికీ కూడా he has no influence, zero influence on కలియుగ. అందుకని వాడు ఎలాగో ఒకలాగా లోపలికి రావడానికి ఈ ఆవుని ఆ ఎద్దుని రెండింటిని టార్చర్ పెడుతున్నాడు. ఎలాగో ఒకలాగా చంపుదామని ట్రై చేస్తున్నాడు. బట్ హీ కుడ్ నాట్ కిల్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఈ లోపలే ఆల్రెడీ పరీక్షిత్ అతను రౌండ్స్ వేస్తున్నప్పుడు హీ సా దెర్ ఇస్ సంథింగ్ హారబుల్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్. సో వాడిని పనిష్ చేస్తాడు. సో ఆ వృత్తాంతం అంతా వీ హెవ్ డిస్కస్ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్. బట్ ఎనీవే ద పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే పరీక్షిత్ మహారాజు హీ గేవ్ కలిపురుష 4 places. నేను కూడా నీ శరణ తీసుకున్నాను. ఐ కెనాట్, ఐఎమ్ యువర్ సిటిజన్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ మీ అ ప్లేస్ టు లివ్. దెన్ పరీక్షిత్ సేస్, ఓ నో ప్రాబ్లం, యూ కెన్ స్టే ఇన్ ఆల్ దీస్ 4 places. వాట్ ఆర్ ద 4 places? వేర్ దేర్ ఇస్ మీట్ ఈటింగ్, గ్యాంబ్లింగ్, ఇంటాక్సికేషన్ అండ్ ఇలిసిట్ సెక్స్. ఈ 4 జరిగే చోట నువ్వు ఎంత కావాలంటే అంత నువ్వు ఉండొచ్చు, నీకేం ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు. సో వాడు సరదా పడిపోతాడు, అమ్మో నాకు పరీక్షిత్ మహారాజు ఫైనల్గా నాకు జాగా ఇచ్చాడు అని. సో పరీక్షిత్ మహారాజు ఎందుకు అంత కాన్ఫిడెన్స్గా చెప్పాడు? అతని రాజ్యంలో ఎక్కడా లేదు, ఈ 4 ఎక్కడా జరగవు, అందుకని అంత కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా చెప్తాడు. సో వెన్ హీ గోస్ బ్యాక్, he comes and then he says, "Arey, you cheated me. Nakem place ledu. Ni rajyamlo ekkada ilantivi. Nothing is happening like this. All these 4 activities are not happening." So Parikshit Maharaj is so great that even Kali Purusha cannot even enter inside his kingdom because he is Vishnu Ratha. Prabhupada explains, in Kali Yuga today, even though Kali Purusha is so prominently, he has entered into every sphere of our life. If as devotees, if we chant Hare Krishna, this 16 malas as given by Prabhupada as shield to stop Kali inside our life, Kali Purusha cannot enter. That is a guarantee Prabhupada has given to all the disciples. So it is not an ordinary thing. So this verse particularly says about how this association of a pure devotee, Bhagavat Sangha Sanghi, Bhagavat Sangha Sanghi means to associate with the Lord, because the devotee is so much in contact with Bhagavan, he is almost like Bhagavan. He is not Bhagavan. But we get that association. Now, this sloka, what it is highlighting is, you can compare apples to apples only. Correct? Anything like, for example, you say somebody got a good job, another guy got another job. What you can compare? His salary to the other person's salary. That is apples to apples comparison. We can understand what that means, right? Somebody built a house, another person built another house. Then you can compare. 2 things compare. Somebody bought 1 car, you bought another bigger car. You can compare. But here, in this case, there is no comparison. For what? To associate with a pure devotee. ఇలాంటి శుద్ధ భక్తుడితో అసోసియేషన్ కంపేర్ చేయడానికి ఇంకొక పదార్థం లేదు. ఇంకొకటి ఏంటుంది? వాట్ ఎల్స్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఇన్ దిస్ equivalent? There is nothing equivalent. You can chant the Vedas, you can chant all the mantras, you can do yajna, you can do tapasya, you can do dhana, you can do dharma, you can do so many things. You can even get mukti, liberation. You can get so many blessings. You become very nice, you become auspicious in this world. So many things you can get. But there is no comparison with Lavenapi. Lavenapi means even a smallest time of association, smallest time of association with a pure devotee, you cannot compare with anything in this world. Because there is nothing to compare. There is no apples to apples. There is nothing. Here it says, generally we all are thinking material prosperity. We are doing some good work. We get blessings so that you get material prosperity. But here material prosperity says it is meant for those who are meant for death. Because it's all, when you die, everything will die. All your riches, all your achievements, everything will be gone. When you are only not there, what is the use of that? There is no value of that. There are so many instances now, especially in this Corona time, all this 2 years, we are seeing so many stories. You all would have heard already. People are super rich and a guy is dying. He's ready to give all his wealth, but the doctor is not able to give his life back. So what is the value of that money? It cannot do anything. It cannot save you. So many people have so many types of experiences already. It's glaring truth in front of our eyes. But even material prosperity has no value. What to speak of liberation, heavenly, going to heavenly planets, all these things. They are all temporary. Even Brahma and Shiva, what positions they have, that's the topmost. You cannot imagine that also. So here it says, even if you achieve those kind of position, that also has no meaning, has no value. Compared to what? Compared to a moment's association of a devotee, a pure devotee. And that is what Parikshit Maharaj, who is embodiment, he's having all the riches. మనం ఎంత కష్టపడి సంపాదించాలనుకున్నా ఒక రాజు అవ్వలేము. అతను ఒక చక్రవర్తి. అలాంటి చక్రవర్తి ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్, ఇవన్నిటికీ నాకు వాల్యూ లేదు. దేనికి? బికాస్ హీ గాట్ Sukadeva Goswami's association. I'm so fortunate I got this association. Then after hearing everything from Sukadeva Goswami, then finally what he is doing, somebody asked, what is Sharanagati? Sharanagati. So one is theoretical knowledge. Now here practically Parikshit Maharaj is demonstrating what is Sharanagati. Generally, we all have so much money, our house, our family, everybody is there next to us. So we are thinking we are very secure. Nothing is going to happen to me. But here, he has complete army. Everything is there at his command. His son Janamejaya is a commander-in-chief. If he orders, army will come like anything. What is there? After all, one snake, one Brahmana has given a curse. One snake, they can easily stop the snake. Correct? Think about it. He can be so much secure. He can make so many security arrangements. But what is he telling? No. He is telling to Sukadeva Goswami, whatever that Brahmana has given a curse, let that thing come. That snake bird. What is a snake bird? Takshaka. Takshaka is a snake bird. Let that Takshaka also come and bite me. Why? Because as a devotee, he is thinking, I have not acted in a Krishna conscious way. Because when I got thirsty, I could not control my senses. I abused that Brahmana who was sitting in the meditation. I put the dead snake, so I deserve to be punished. This is how a devotee thinks. But you see how we think. Even little bit also something happens to us, we will think, how could he do that to me? I don't deserve this. I will tit for tat. I will take revenge on him. That's how we immediately react. But here, no, he's surrendered, completely surrendered. He's not thinking, I'm a great king. I will be, I can protect myself. There is no pride. There is nothing. He has completely given up. He's telling, just like Ganga Devi, if some dead corpse is put inside Ganga, how Ganga will accept it? Like that, please accept me as a devotee. I will be surrendered. Let the snake bird come and bite me and finish. No problem. Why I'm so confident? Why I don't have any fear? Because he's telling, clearly he's telling, I have taken the shelter of the lotus feet. I have taken the shelter of the lotus feet of Krishna. So, my dear devotees, all of you, don't stop singing about the glories of Krishna. I just want to hear Krishna's names, and then I know what is the destination. He's not thinking of liberation. He's not thinking of anything else. Just merely by hearing Krishna's holy name, I'm completely satisfied, and there is nothing else needed. This is the beauty. This is Sharanagati. He's completely surrendered. Let Krishna decide whatever that next course of action is. He's not telling, I will go back to Goloka Vrindavan, you continue chanting, I will hear. He's not telling all that. Consequence, I don't know. I just want to hear Krishna's names. That's all. This is a devotee. He's surrendered. So Prabhupada says how even for such a great devotee like Parikshit Maharaj, when he came into Kali Yuga, he also got contaminated a little bit like this. A little bit of contamination has come. What to speak of people like us? We are in the midst of contamination. We are filled with Kaler Dosha Nidhe Rajan. It's Nidhi. It's Nidhi of Kalmasham. In that Nidhi of Kalmasham, we entered. But what is our hope? There is no problem. Still, Bhagavatam is telling us, Astihi Eko Mahat Gunan. What is that one great quality of Kali Yuga? Kirtanadeva Krishnasya Nama. Kirtanadeva Krishnasya Nama. Mukta Sangha Param Rajet. You will be completely victorious. Why? Because you are very intelligent. Only intelligent men in Kali Yuga will accept the shelter of the holy name. This is the conclusion of the Bhagavatam. This is the conclusion. This is the verdict. So, we studied yesterday how your intelligence has to be purified. That's what Krishna is saying in 2nd chapter, right? Unless your intelligence is purified, you cannot come to this conclusion that the holy name is the only shelter. You cannot come to this conclusion. So, this entire process, like Prabhupada given, is a complete package. Is packaged with associating with devotees, honoring prasadam, and purifying all our senses. Our senses, they are like, after doing all this chanting Hare Krishna, honoring prasadam, associating with devotees, what happens? The senses are like snakes, but with the, coralu తీసేసిన పాములు లాంటివి. They will never bite again. All the venomous tongue of the snake has been removed. So you still have them, still have the senses, you're still engaging, but those snakes are not going to bite you anymore. This is the beauty of Krishna conscious package that Prabhupada has given to us. So it's a package deal. You cannot separate anything. You have to take all together. Everything is a little in our life. We add a little bit of deity worship, little bit of chanting, little bit of honoring prasadam, associating with devotees, and preaching and distribute the books, what Prabhupada has given. All these things together as a package deal, if we do, then slowly we will come to the position where we will start enjoying and relishing to hear the holy names. Yes, like anything else, it is not easy in the beginning, but it is not impossible. It is not impossible. It takes priority. Mana priority enti. Manaki em kavali. Just like when we see children playing video games, they're completely immersed in that. Even to go to the bathroom, they don't want to go, even if it is disturbing, right? That much they are immersed. That means it is possible. If the child can be immersed in a video game like that, as adults, if we know our priority and if we immerse ourselves into Krishna conscious activities in that same way that nothing should bother us, then definitely we will all achieve this wonderful gift, which is matchless gift. This is matchless gift, but you will not know this is matchless gift unless you immerse yourself into that, and the value of other things will fade away. Otherwise, everything else will be still glimmering. That glitter of this material world will still be attracting us. Oh, see that fellow, he bought such a big apartment. All that will be like a bug. It will be biting you. But if you are immersed fully into the holy name, Nama Prabhu, immediately all those things will fade away. That value will fade away just by chanting Hare Krishna. It's such a miraculous thing. Nama Prabhu, it's a lot of miracles can happen. Actually, anything can be achieved just by chanting Hare Krishna. So you have to be careful what you are asking for. It will come out. Everything will come true. Whatever you want, it will come true. You chant Hare Krishna, and if you make some material desire, that also will come true. That is why you should not do such things. Don't use this powerful holy name to manifest some silly material desires, which will anyway go away. You might think whatever you achieve will stay with you. Nothing is going to stay with you. It will all be taken away. Maya has her own ways of taking it away. We might think this, I have 20-year planning I did, a 30-year planning I did, I have financial advisor, this advisor, that. No matter what you do, it will be taken away from you. This is the arrangement of Maya. This is illusion. We think we are doing so many things and we can protect it. You can't even protect your hair only. What you can protect? Nothing we can protect. So, as a devotee, our surrender, Sharanagati, should be the topmost, that Krishna only is going to protect me. And everything else is, we have to do our work, and that's why we are doing the work. That's all. Prahlad Maharaj also says that no matter what you do, what you are supposed to get, you will get it. You don't have to worry about it. So this is, there is always a conflict. We will think, oh no, but unless I study engineering, I cannot get that degree. That's true. If you don't do that, you don't get, there are certain events, if you don't do, you will not get. That all that is correct. But ultimately, the amount of sukha and dukkha is fixed. So don't have to worry too much about how you prosper materially. Krishna will take care of the devotees who chant Hare Krishna and put full faith on Krishna. Put full faith on Krishna. Just like you buy your shares, Reliance shares, if I buy, I'll definitely make more money. Like that, you have guarantee, right? Tesla shares, if I buy, I'll make more money. Like that, you should know that when you buy Krishna shares, Krishna will definitely take you. There is no doubt about this. And that faith will keep on increasing day by day, day by day, day by day, day by day. When you chant Hare Krishna, little by little, little by little, this faith keeps on increasing. It will not happen overnight, but you will understand this. And this is Sharanagati. Just like Parikshit is completely surrendered despite all his opulences. Like that, we should also come to that stage one day. Of course, right now, we have too many priorities. In that big list, Krishna chanting also is there somewhere. So, no, we have to keep on bringing that chanting up to the top of the list. Like that. So, I'll stop here as a summary. Anybody want to say in Telugu?
సౌకారి ప్రభుజీ మీరు చెప్తారా కొంచెం తెలుగులో మీకు అర్థమైంది or somebody else?
I would like to share something.
Sure.
You had sent the 16 rounds of chanting by Srila Prabhupada.
Right.
Few days back, right?
Mm-hmm.
And for some reason, I'm not been able to do my chanting. So in the mornings when I get up and I'm doing my, of course, I'm not, I don't think I should be doing it, but this is how it's giving me solace. So I let it chant. I let that YouTube run. So Srila Prabhupada is chanting along with it, and mentally it is running in my mind, and I'm doing my work also. It's been few days since I've started, but I can feel the effect of the chanting which is having on me. I was very disturbed, and I don't know, it was different. But with this, just hearing the chant, and mentally, yes, I on and off, it goes on as I'm doing my work and other things. But it in the back of the mind, it is running. So as long as it's running, sometimes I came to 12 rounds, and it goes to 8 rounds or even 3 rounds. I keep hearing it, but it does have a lot of effect. That is what I wanted to share with everyone. So
Wonderful.
may not have that full concentration, but just the hearing has that much effect. So when you sit and chant, focus on it, I'm sure, like as you said, it will have miraculous effect on everybody, whoever
Yes.
is chanting, I'm sure. But it's just that you have to put your heart and soul completely focused on it, and for you to experience the miracle
Yes.
of just the chanting.
Yes.
I think that can be with any chanting. This is okay. This is Krishna consciousness. I have my own guru's mantra also. But I'm sure with any, you just have to put your focus, your heart and soul, as I said, and completely just, initially starting off with blind faith maybe, and eventually it'll become a habit, I think,
Yes.
when
Yes.
you will reach that point.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Mantra, every mantra is to free the mind. Mind, tra means to free the mind, mantra. So every mantra has its own efficacy. Just like, a small charter flight can take you some distance. Then a little bigger jumbo jet can go a little longer distance. Then if you have a rocket, it will take you a little longer distance. Then if you have like the latest, the one which carried the 100 times Hubble telescope, the one which can go beyond the frontiers of all the stratosphere and all the spheres. So that's one of the biggest rockets they have ever made in NASA. I don't know if you followed that. That's one of the biggest rocket, and it surpasses all the limits. That takes, it goes beyond they say it can go the closest to the sun now. So like that, Maha Mantra, Hare Krishna Maha Mantra specifically is given to people like us in Kali Yuga because we are so fallen. We are so fallen. No matter how much little help is given, that is not enough. It's just like a spider trying to climb a little bit and then again it will slip and fall. So like that, all mantras, including the Vedas, everything, the verdict of the Vyasadeva itself is to reject everything else because nothing will work. So Brahma is telling, I'm going through all the Vedas and I'm not able to find anything else other than this Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Iti Shaudasaka Nam. These 16 names of Hari, Kali Kalmashanasanam, they are so potent, they can remove the entire Kalmasha of Kali Yuga. Nataha Purataro Upaya. I am not able to find other Upaya for people in Kali Yuga. This is whose verdict Brahma is telling. Brahma is the first one who's written everything. So he can go through all the manual first personally. Then it is his verdict. He is telling this is what you are supposed to chant for people in Kali Yuga. Now, any other guru cannot be higher than Brahma, right? He is the original guru. So, following the same footsteps of Brahma, Lord Chaitanya, who is also Krishna himself, came and personally inaugurated this Sankirtana Yajna, so that people like us can collectively, individually and collectively chant Hare Krishna either through form of japa or through form of singing or through form of doing bhajan, whatever way you can. There are no instruments, there is no investment, there is nothing. All you need is clap your hands and chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. That's all. That is your only investment. If you can do this much and help few more around you, you will be helping them just cross this horrible Kali Yuga effects. All the Kali Yuga effects are written very elaborately in 12th canto. Of course, all you have to do is today open 2 or 3 newspaper headlines and you will get all that the same effect. You can see what is happening. So from all such type of dangers, we can be rescued. So that is the reason Hare Krishna Mahamantra is specifically given, recommended, and propagated worldwide. And this association of pure devotee is what makes a difference altogether. There is no comparison. Nowadays, people make a show of, because Bhagavat Saptaha, you have to recite Bhagavatam. So if you hear these same recitations from a non-realized soul, there is no effect again. Even though it's the same mantra, even though it's the same sloka, even though it's the same Bhagavat. So you have to hear only from a pure devotee. And that is the reason it is recommended again and again and again. You have to associate with practicing devotees. If you don't, then there is no effect of you. You will not feel like chanting Hare Krishna. It's just like anything else. If you don't do, you cannot tell others also to do. This is also like that. If you can't chant, then you can't tell somebody else to chant. There will be no effect. You can tell, but there will be no effect. That person will not take up. Like that. So, but yeah, it's a very good experience that you shared. It's very nice. And yeah, actually we are supposed to hear 24 hours. So this 16 mala is only just
I know,
stepping
but that
stone.
is not possible when you're having your...
So what you're doing is very good. You just play the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. It transforms the atmosphere. It becomes like temple.
Yeah.
Your house itself becomes like temple. It's a beautiful atmosphere.
No, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Vishwa, for sending that video, that YouTube, because it has helped me a lot.
Yeah.
To calm myself down a lot.
Actually, you'll be surprised. There is actually an app in the mobile also. You can get it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's called Jukebox, Prabhupada Jukebox. I mean, just if you are traveling or outside, not in the house,
yeah,
you could still play through that.
Oh, okay, I'll try that.
But this one actually is very good because it's counting in this chanting, no?
Yeah.
So 16 rounds, if you're hearing and you're chanting along with Prabhupada, it's like you will complete 16 malas or whatever number of malas you're chanting with Prabhupada. So it's very nice. Actually, that's the same point in this sloka it is saying, associate with a pure devotee. So you are getting association of Prabhupada, and that is the reason you're seeing the difference.
Correct.
So, that is the most important point here, associating with a pure devotee.
And there is no comparison. That's the whole point. There is no comparison to get a pure devotee's association. You cannot compare with anything else.
Yeah. We can tell 1,000 times chant Hare Krishna or Hare Krishna is very sweet, everything. But when Prabhupada chants and you hear, this is the difference. So it's very nice. Very nice realization actually you got. So I would like... I would like someone to explain the class today in Telugu. If nobody can explain,
జస్ట్
then I
వన్
would like to.
సెంటెన్స్ లోనైనా చెప్పండి, పర్వాలేదు.
మీకు
మాతాజీ,
ఏదైనా
నాకు అర్థమైంది ఏమంటే, ఇప్పుడు పరీక్షిత్ మహారాజు ఈ కక్షపుడు అనే ఈ సర్పం వల్ల భయపడుతూ ఉన్నాడు కదా, అందువల్ల ఆయన కృష్ణుడి నామాన్ని స్మరిస్తూ అతను ప్రహ్లాదుడు ఏ విధంగా అయితే కృష్ణనామం తెలుస్తూ భయపడకుండా ఉన్నాడో, ఆ విధంగా ఇతను కూడా ఆ బ్రాహ్మణ శాపం వల్ల భయపడకుండా ఉండడానికి ఇతను తన అంటే నామాన్ని ఉచ్చరించమని చెప్పి అందరికీ ఆదేశిస్తాడు. అయితే ఇక్కడ నాకు అర్థం కానిది ఏంటంటే, గంగా మాతాన్ని రిప్రజెంటేటివ్ గా అన్నాడు కదా, అది ఎందుకు అనే విషయం ప్రభుజీ చెప్తే బాగుంటుంది.
అంటే జస్ట్ లైక్ ఇప్పుడు గంగ ఎలాగైతే అందరినీ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తుంది, అందులో గంగలో మీరు ఏది పడేసినా షీ విల్ నాట్ సే ఎనీథింగ్, షీ విల్ యాక్సెప్ట్. అలా నన్ను కూడా ఒక భక్తుడిగా యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయండి అని ప్రాధేయపడుతున్నాడు.
And also Ganga Mata came from the lotus feet of the
of
Lord.
Vishnu. వామనుడు రెండో పాదం పైకి పెట్టినప్పుడు he made a hole so that అక్కడ విరజ రివర్ అని ఉంటుంది. మెటీరియల్ వరల్డ్ కి స్పిరిచువల్ వరల్డ్ కి మధ్యలో ఒక బ్యారియర్ లాగా, అంటే ఒక అక్కడ బ్యారియర్ నుంచి గంగని ఈ మళ్ళీ ఈ మృత్యులోకంలోకి తీసుకొస్తాడు వామనుడు. సో వామనుడు బొటన వేలు ముట్టుకుని తగిలింది కాబట్టి అతను గంగ కూడా పావనం అయిపోయింది, సింప్లీ బై టచ్ ఆఫ్ వామన. అందుకే గంగకి అంత ప్రాముఖ్యత. వై? బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టచింగ్ ద లోటస్ ఫీట్ ఆఫ్ విష్ణు. సో భక్తుడు కూడా భగవత్ సంగి, భక్తుడు కూడా శుద్ధ భక్తుడు ఎప్పుడు కంటిన్యూస్ 24 hours ఈజ్ ఇన్ టచ్ విత్ విష్ణు. దట్ ఈస్ వై ప్యూర్ డివోటీకి అంత వాల్యూ ఉంది. సో గంగలాగా, సో గంగాదేవి ఎలాగైతే అందరినీ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తుందో నన్ను కూడా అలా యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయండి. నేను ఐ విల్ సరెండర్ మై సెల్ఫ్ కంప్లీట్లీ.
हिंदी में सबको समझ में आया या किसी को नहीं समझ में आया तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. తెలుగులో కూడా మీకు అర్థం అవ్వకపోతే మీరు అడగండి ఒకసారి, సో ఆయన చెప్తారు. आई थिंक सबको हिंदी में भी समझ में आया है, तो ट्रांसलेशन की जरूरत नहीं. अगर आप बोलेंगे तो हम ट्रांसलेट करने की कोशिश करेंगे.
I think it's fine.
ओके, पारुल माता जी आप थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करेंगे जो आपको समझ में आया हिंदी में?
नहीं माता जी,
थोड़ा सा
मुझे तो इसमें